Hello, dear students. Today we are going to discuss about our practical number 11 of software testing, that is validating defect report for ATM machine, right? The practical significance of this practical is ATM is one of the most consumed system in human day-to-day life. Large pool of people is active user of ATM machine on daily basis. ATM is one of the integral part of banking system which facilitate use of banking application and make banking convenient for customer. Hence it becomes very much essential to validate functionality of ATM machine and prepare defect report for sync. The defect report will enable developer to build flawless system and provide the best possible application. In this practical, a learner will be able to generate a defect report for ATM machine system. Okay, so the relevant outcomes for this practical is the you need to have a basic knowledge, discipline knowledge, experiment, and you need to have a hands-on experiment and practice. Okay, you have a knowledge of engineering tools. Okay, you have some ethics, how to handle the particular application. Okay, and you need to have some basic communication skills, right? So after completing this practical you are able to apply the types and levels of methods of software testing on application. Okay, so after this practical, the skills are going to be built in yourself. Okay, you are able to identify the system with its specification and get familiar with the system. You can use the different software testing concepts, the ability to write system specification of the system, then next the ability to prepare defect report for given system. Okay, so the practical outcome of this practical is you are able to prepare a defect report after executing the test cases for withdrawal of amount from ATM machine. So guys, we have already seen the sample defect report. We have already prepared the defect report in previous practical for library management system. Okay, so now you have to prepare defect report for ATM machine system. Okay, so basically we see what are the operation of ATM machine. Okay, these are the functionalities. This is the actual ATM machine. Okay, here is the actual display screen. Then there is a some screen buttons. Okay, receipt printer, card reader, then there is a speaker, there is a keypad, there is a deposit slot, and there is a cash dispenser slot. Okay, so for this particular field you need to prepare a bug report. I have already mentioned the test cases for the ATM machine. Okay, so there is actual application of this particular test cases on the particular ATM machine is very much difficult right now, because nobody's want to go outside. Okay, after this pandemic situation, right? So you just assume that you are visiting, means you are having experience before starting this lockdown. You are already, I think so, everybody is visited to the ATM center, right? So according to your experience, just assume some things and prepare a bug report for this particular test cases, and try to find out the bug. Okay, after finding out the bug, you need to prepare a bug report. Okay, and discover the bug after preparing this bug report. Okay, and then we have already discussed about the sample defect report template, right? Here you need to mention defect ID, you need to mention a project name, project product name, then release version, then after that you need to specify the module name, then particular detected build version. Okay, the summary of that particular the defect occurrence, okay, the actual description, okay, then steps to replicate, then afterward you need to specify the actual result also, then expected result also. If there is some any attachment like screenshot and logs, you can also able to attach with that particular report, okay. Then if you need to specify some remark, so you can specify over it, okay. Then need to specify the probability of that particular defect, severity of that defect, priority of that defect. Then need to specify the report that particular defect is reported by, so you need to specify that person, okay. Then you need to assign this particular task of fixing to that particular developer, so you need to specify the developer name here, okay. After that, the status of defect, you need to track that whether it is whether that bug is fixed or not, okay. So you need to track it again and again. If that bug is fixed, so you need to specify the fixed build version here, okay. So you need to specify the version number on which version that particular bug is fixed, okay. So according to it, you need to prepare a defect report. So I think everybody prepare at least three defect report for this particular practical, okay. So this is it with your practical number 11. I hope everybody will perform their task properly, okay. So there are many test cases, okay. So prepare its bug report, and after that prepare a defect report for individual defect which you are identified, okay. Thank you.